My name is Chanel, and today I'll be showing you guys up on this gorgeous highlighting, very fall type hair. Like, I am so here for it. It gives me fall, it gives me autumn. I am super here for this hair right here, y'all. She is super gorgeous and super long, y'all. So if you're looking for like a long type fall vibes for the upcoming fall season ahead, then go ahead and keep on watching, you guys. Super gorgeous. You literally got to pick up, like, you got to pick up, sis. Okay, so if you want to know more specs and these about her, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, guys, just jumping straight into the specs because I know you like, sis. Cut the chit chat and let's get straight into the specs. This gorgeous hair is by, you guys, Alipearl Hair, and I love it, sis. I love it. Okay, I love this color. I've been trying so much colors for you guys lately, so you guys gotta give me a like for that, y'all. I've been coming through for my girls that like, sis, come through with the colors. You're so boring. Like, yeah, I'm Mrs. Plain Jane. That's my name, y'all. But today I'm coming to you with another color, and this hair, like I stated, is from Alipearl Hair. So here is the packaging, you guys. And it comes in a box that says Alipearl Hair. If you're not familiar, I'll leave somewhere along the clip. And inside the baggie, first off, it comes with a pamphlet that, you know, just advertise a few things on how you can go ahead and take care of your very own wigs. This is super helpful. I did love that they included this for my beginner wig wearers out there. It also did come with some lashes, which is super gorgeous and glammed out. These are definitely not like a cheap looking brand, which, girl, I can't wait to rock these. These look really fine. It also came with head wrap that says Alipearl on it, and it does come with a hairband as well. All these stuff I do usually use. I still have my old Alipearl headscarves, and girl, I will be using those lashes. So I did love that. That's super helpful. But the main thing is the hair. How do I love the hair? Like, you guys, I legit have to give this a 10 out of 10. I love this hair. This hair is super gorgeous, y'all. Super gorgeous. Okay, so Alipearl did go ahead and name this one highlighted ombre straight wig. But you guys, I'm going to go ahead and name her Malika. If you guys don't know, Malika is an actress. You can actually see her in some movies such as like ATL is her top one. She's a twin, by the way. And she also is the best friend of Khloe Kardashian. So yeah, y'all, she gives me Malika like, yes, I love it. And it super screams autumn. I live for it. And I'm not really like fully having it full push forward, so you can't really fully see the whole thing, but girl, she is full. Okay, like, I just have her like pushed back kinda. She can give volume, and I love how she can give messy and effortless at the same time. You don't have to have it like structured like I had it just before. You can give like messy. This definitely been giving like cute Zoom call look, you know what I mean? This is one of those you can just wake up and still look effortless and like, oh sis, I got meetings to go to. This is my look. So this hair is a mixed color, like I say to you guys, and it is highlighted. This hair did come straight like this out the package, like straight out the package. This is how it looks like. I live for it. I love the color. I love how they did it strategically. I think this side gives looks too, but both sides don't kind of match. I feel like this side is more so like mixed. Maybe I need to just brush this side out. Yeah, that's what it was. Length is 26 inches, you guys. She gives definitely 26 inches. The density is 180. Like I stated, you guys, this hair is definitely full. It is full. It's just I have it like, the more you have it like, you know, kind of straight, the more I don't really show the density of the hair. So if you guys would like to see a curling type of video, like a whole like me applying this wig type of video, smash the like buttons and I'll get that out for you like ASAP rock. I live. Big head friendly, 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back along with adjustable straps, and like I say to you guys, it does come with a band in the package just in case if you want to add extra secureness. Lace, I want to say, was a medium color. So now lace is it's a lace front wig. If I have not mentioned before, this is a lace front wig, and you are getting lace from ear to ear. So lace is a 13x4, you guys. The lace material is a Swiss-based lace. Yeah, did I miss anything? I love the parting. You can part it literally any way you want. I did go ahead and add some concealer just to pop out my part. But yeah, y'all, for the most part, you can literally part any way you like. I am living for this, you guys. Living. Super dope, super amazing look for autumn, you guys. I love it. Pick up now, sis. You would not, like, you're gonna be like, Chanel, what? Like, this hair is bomb. Y'all, I live for it. I've been loving it for the last few weeks. So yeah, y'all, go ahead and pick it up. The link is on the top of the description bar. Pick up right now. Alipearl Hair, you did amazing. I could not say enough. Like, Alipearl Hair did their thing, guys. If you don't want it in the link that I got it in, if you don't want it in the color that I got it in, Alipearl Hair have a whole bunch of products that they offer. Straight hair like this without the highlights or another color. So you want to make sure you definitely head over to their site and just browse around, since you're going to fall in love. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, and definitely subscribe if you haven't done so. And like always, you guys,